Not too bad.
The steel pan at Sinesta. Or are we eating breakfast at the hotel? It looks good. What you got?
I have some sausage, bacon, eggs, croissants, some salmon, and ham salami. Got a pasta salad over here, some blueberries, blackberries. Got the cranberry juice.
Unlimited
And choose unlimited mimosas.
of course, with coffee and basic breakfast.
This restaurant. You gonna tell them about the
Okay,
whole
here
story?
we are. We're walking down the strip of Fort Lauderdale at the beach. Beach is right here. Well,
They can't see that.
they can't see that, but pretty little place, little walkway, stuff like that. Mee-Tou across the street, lost her sandal and her hat.
It flew
Both
off.
ways. Don't know how or why, but
Tell them about the story about the two guys.
that's fine. It's windy, but it feels good. The showers are on and off, but whatever, it's all the same. I guess we'll get wet.
It's cold.
Look, we have the full press belt.
We've been waiting for our chance to get in the pool. At least I was.
Yeah, I guess.
Because there has been families out here and just other people, and we finally have a pool to ourselves. Ugh, but it's so cold.
Let's see what this pool. Don't touch.
Don't make me laugh, you almost drowned me. Okay.
What are you trying to do, Grace?
I am trying to stay afloat on this water, this 5 feet section over here, because I'm only 4'11".
So calm.
Okay everyone, so a little update. We've been walking all day down the strip that we're at Fort Lauderdale, and it's been raining on and off, so we decided to head to Coral Ridge Mall. We kind of walked around, did a little shopping, and then we decided since we're here, we'll watch a movie. So we are in the AMC at Coral Ridge Mall here, and since we have some time and we don't really want to do anything else anymore, so we're sitting at the bar in the theaters in here enjoying our drinks. I've ordered a melon head, and two over here ordered, what did you order, honey?
Angry balls.
Angry balls, which is a what?
Angry balls.
So it is apple orchard. What is it called?
Angry orchard and a shot of Fireball.
Say that again.
Angry orchard and a shot of Fireball.
Yeah, and it tastes pretty good actually. So we still have an hour to kill before our movie starts.
You gotta tell them what kind of movie theater it is.
So the movie theater here is that we can dine in. When we go and sit in the theater, they'll give us a menu, we'll have our server, and it's basically a restaurant where you watch a movie. But the thing is that we cannot record in there, so you guys won't be able to see any footage of that. So we're gonna dine in there and watch Aladdin. Since we haven't watched it yet, we're gonna watch it, pre-watch it, to see if it's okay for the kids to watch.
Yeah.
So
while we're drinking alcohol.
While we're drinking alcohol. So we'll see you guys. So we are still sitting at the bar.
Yeah, look, they have buckets. So they have buckets of beer at the movie theater.
Yeah, they offer buckets of beer at the movie theater.
That's crazy.
So here's the bar. Give you guys a little look at how the theater looks like here. Woo, I'm gonna like fall. Yang, can you take it?
That's gonna. You're already drunk.
Okay, so we are in the dine-in theater seats. This is how it looks. They have this little.
Always compliments by.
You got that right? You know your stuff.
In terms of area, what is the largest island in the
We
Caribbean?
pull in. Let's see.
Cuba?
And then
You should be.
first,
Okay, one last question
and then
for you.
here's the
What's up?
menu.
You can eat that popcorn? Can I get some? Just throw it up here and answer my mouth.
Don't miss the lovely Orange Smoke in the Fifth Grade, hosted by John C. Starting Monday, 7, 6, 7 on Nickelodeon. Oh, it's not well.
Where is your socket?
Okay, so when we are ready to order, we just go ahead and press this button right here. So I am currently sitting at D1. And when I'm ready to order, I just press that button right here. Hi everyone, so it is dinner time and we are at the Wild Thyme. I think they're originally called Coastal, but they're going through a changing phase right now. But it's kind of late and it's kind of dark, so we didn't want to go further down the strip. So we are staying here at the Wild Thyme and going to try out their food. Two doesn't know what he's getting yet, so he's still looking. And so I got myself a drink. I got, what did I got? What did I get? I got the lime in the coconut martini. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. Tiang,
Yes.
why don't you try it? It's really good.
Oh, yeah.
Come on.
Oh.
How do you like it?
It's good. The coconut is perfect in there. The breadcrumbs are delicious, excellent. Puts a texture to it. It is good. I could drink that.
Perfect. Thank you so very much.
He's trying to get a wine paired with his paella. Here we go. This is our hummus.
The
We
pita
order
bread.
hummus with pita bread.
Like that hummus. pomegranate, sunflower seeds, it looks like. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about.
We haven't taken any pictures. Okay, so we're done with our hummus, which it was delicious, but definitely a big portion and we could not finish it. So here's my linguine clams.
Doing well so far?
Oh yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
And could we get a
The drink
drink
menu?
menu? The drink menu?
The cocktail menu.
So that looks really good. But Tu's paella, seafood paella was awesome.
Thank you.
Look at that. And then Tu got a pairing of a Merlot. Not sure what it's called, but it's a local wine from.
More of a what's that? What's the rice dishes?
What do you mean rice dishes? Like a.
What's the rice dish? The rice dishes.
Like that Italian rice dish?
Yeah.
What is it called?
What's it called? I can't think of it right now.
I don't know.
It will come to me. But I mean, flavor's good.
This is not like drowned in oil. It's so light. I can't describe it. It's so good. It's really good. Here, Tia, you want a bite of it?
Okay. Pick one.
This is really good.
I remember risotto.
Risotto, yes, risotto, yes.
Oh
Yes.
my gosh! See,
Yes,
I told you
risotto.
I'm not drunk. I told you to start with the R.
Yeah, and that's what I was trying to say too.
Yeah.
That's why I was saying rose.